What do you say to doctors that are watching this show, even functional medicine doctors, because I've heard it from them, that parasites don't exist in the US? It's a third world problem. What do you say to these guys? Because I had one tell me to my face, even though I showed him a 9-inch worm that came out of my 5-year-old.
It looks to many of us as if human beings are being turned into synthetics because there are the presence of synthetic red blood cells. Am I looking at something that's normal, or is there adsorption happening within fibers that are causing them to be electric now? What in the heck am I looking at? So nothing is as it was.
You'll never hit that point, which means it could be a problem for their business, for their industry, if the world knew to do parasites more frequently, which is what was happening before Rockefeller came in the early 1900s.
It's a fact.
So if we go back to a little bit of history and you go back to the text from the 1800s where real medicine was being performed, natural medicine, it was very common knowledge to know that people need to do these parasite cleanses, otherwise they will take over your body eventually.
Something's happening. They go into a fight or flight type of response. And for the worms, they will actually dump all of their eggs in one setting.
Wow. That's exactly what I saw. When she would let the slide sit for 20 minutes, literally these little worms would crawl out of my cells.
I bet you didn't do a parasite cleanse before, and I bet you're not going to do one after, but the proliferation is real. And this is how parasites work. They've been around longer than we have. They're not stupid.
They're very smart. And the man-made ones are smarter. Yes, maybe that worked 20 years ago, but things have changed. Yeah. What would you say to them, to the practitioners, the holistic guys, the alternative guys that have decided to not look at parasites, even though they know they exist, but they say, just strengthen the immune system, just strengthen the cell membrane, and you don't need to worry about parasites? What would you say to them? All right, let's do this. I'm so excited.